lighthouse. Okay, going up there right now, Alright guys, this is indoor. It's a hot tub. That opens up when it's nice out. It's pouring out right now. In and out that door, there's a nice little roof deck with the hot tub out there. It's nice. But again, it's closed for renovations right now. And that's it. Okay guys, we're on 32, as you saw, 3206. It took literally a half an hour to get up here. So that part be aware of. Atlantic City elevator is always slow. Today was very, very slow. They're renovating. This is one of the renovated units. So because of that, the elevators are taken by workers and stuff. I think there's only one running. That's nice. First time I'm in the renovated. I think they just finished them. I'm not sure. We're just checking in now. This is a 3-bedroom presidential. Let's see if there's a bathroom in this one. Sure is. Hello. Oh, nice. Hello again. Stand-in shower. Cool. Desk if you have to work. It's the boardwalk. I don't go over everything because most of the people that watch know Wyndham, I think. But of course, it's a full condo. Even if, you know, whether 1 or 3 bedrooms, they all have dishes and just really everything. It's like a home. Outdoor seating. I think there's only 2 units that have this. Maybe 4. I think 2. They did nice, the renovations. It's Lisa's birthday. So they put this in the room, which is cool. I'll open that in a minute. Have a nice laundry. Again, Atlantic City, I don't think in the deluxes even have washer and dryers. I think just the penthouse units have washer and dryers, which we forget when we stay in a 2-bedroom deluxe, because it doesn't have a washer and dryer. And of course we get used to that everywhere. But the renovations are nice, guys. Much better than it was. It says earplugs. Oh, that means it gets loud up here. It must get crazy if there's earplugs. That means people have complained that it's noisy. It's nice. Before it was pretty old. We stayed here, I don't know, 6 months ago, 8 months ago, in one of the 3 bedrooms. It was very old. So they needed to fix them up a little bit, but I think they fixed all of them. All right, that's it. I'll show you outside too.